we go. This is a video that shows how to add Screencast-O-Matic to your Chromebook. First thing you're going to want to do is go over to the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the little circle there so you can search your apps. What you're looking for is the Chrome Web Store. Okay, if it's not there, you can search it. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, then you're going to type in Screencast-O-Matic. Go ahead and search that. Now, the first thing that comes up is the Screencast-O-Matic launcher. That is not what you want. All right, you want to scroll down to the apps right here. Click Screencast-O-Matic. Then you should have an option to add to Chrome right here. Go ahead and add it to Chrome. Give it permission. File will download, and then it'll give you the ability to launch the app. Okay, so you can launch it from there, but I'll show you how to do it from your desktop. So you just go back here. Go ahead and click right here. Pull up the app. If you can't find it, click here so you can search, find Screencast-O-Matic. Start it. It's going to ask you if you want to share audio. Yes. Now you can pick what you want to share, your entire screen or just one window. I think for the most part, using your entire screen is the best option when you're trying to put a presentation together. All right, so I'm going to check that. It'll be outlined in blue. Hit share. Now, make sure if you want to run your computer audio, like you had music in the background or sounds that are going to pop up, you have the computer audio checked. If you don't want that, that's fine. Make sure the microphone is on. Right, you'll know that the microphone is running by seeing the status bar right here change. Okay, and then up here it's also asking what you want to record. Right, so your screen, you can add your webcam that shows you. All right, or you can have both. All I really need to see from you is your screen. If you want to do both, that's fine. All right. So go ahead and hit record. It'll give you some time to record. Now it's recording your screen. Anything that happens on my screen will be documented in the video. Okay, so I'm going to open up the Play Store. Maybe I'll open up Chrome. Now to stop your recording, once you have everything done, all right, down here at the bottom you have a little record button in blue. That stops it. You'll see the time of your video, how long it was. All right, you can trash it and restart over. You can hit record again and record a new video there. But once you're done, you're satisfied with your video, hit done. Okay, then you get several options over here on the right-hand side. You can save the video file, upload it to Screencast-O-Matic. I wouldn't recommend that. You can upload it to YouTube, in your YouTube channel, or upload to Google Drive. All right. What I would suggest is using this last one. Just send it to your Google Drive. Okay, so you click that. Now, it's probably going to come up with no account on there. If you click that, add account, use your school account. All right. Once it pops up, okay, then you can go ahead and publish that. It'll send it right to your drive, and you can share it from there. Okay, and that's how you use Screencast-O-Matic.